Hi guys, welcome to a new video. We're gonna show you how to check your toner, the gauge. You're gonna go here. This is a HP PageWide Pro MFP 477DW. So we got to check the toners. How much toner do you have? You can see this little thing, this one like a drop. No. I touch something else here. I think you can see it. Okay, let me go back. This one. Okay, when you click there, you click on it, that little thing. Yeah, you can see. Shows you that magenta is out, cyan is out. No, cyan is almost out, black is out. But you know what? There's a problem here. Something you have to understand. If you buy non-original stuff, like me, what I did. Open here, this black is full, but because I didn't buy it from HP, that's why it shows like that. The good thing about these toners for these machines is like they are liquid, in a liquid form. So when you shake, you can feel that there is something. This is full. You just press, like press. This one, there's a little, it's stuck in the real thing. So what you can do, put it back. This one is full also. You can see the chips are not the same. Get me? Chips, they're not the same. Now I'm about to finish. The chips are not the same. But even before, without going where I went, you can just go and you take out these toners and you shake them. Okay, so if you want to put in papers, you press here, put paper here, you close. If you want to make a copy, let me take this up here, you put here a copy, then you come here, you make a copy. So let me go home. I did another video about Wi-Fi. You connect here using Wi-Fi here. Select that, then you connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, you can also make a copy on the glass here. So this machine is connected like wirelessly. You don't need a cable, so because it's on Wi-Fi, that's why you can see here. You can see there. So you don't need a cable. It had a cable, but I took it out. So that's it for now. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.